aba batungira kutendekwa okuya fibre kurwa mitumba okoramo ebintu k'ebitabo emicheka carpet n'ebindi bingi.
Pero hamubwire bwa COVID-19 twarora opportunities esoko tera center mungabo tukabarabya mu groups abo abakabo bingi bari mbitebe kandi ebitebe bino waitu abagenyi bakuru basange abantu bano senda zabezi bakuhemba buli week buli mwezi bahemba 200 bahemba silingi 10.
Ahmed Muhammad Sharif orukura ekitongore kya KRC kandi bimbiremo okutendeka okunagira ngo omuntu yekwata ebimikono takaba mworo.
It is our commitment that the VSLAs are going to be strengthened, and we are going to do linkages already to Mseja Mkuru kuga Microfinance Support Center tutagana kungameza tu already
ganto turole gumusi yetu itulumu wenu nitsokora mututezimu mukikaro cyo kugenda omunsi za harabu okoro wiru rubali
twazo mu rubunyangabo bakuru b'Eminyeto nibagira ngo abebembesi babakwasirijaga na mnonga cyo kwimikwa na program za government.
See in Bunyangabo, our land is very green and most of our youth they involved in dairy. So we are requesting Muzee to give us haifaz.
Ungere to convincing tutabana tute don't go in opposition and yet tevine kibatungire na nyowe kale makagamba mwesige David Impulire nabiye busuba na jwa.
And what I've discovered is that much as we talk about these programs, some youth are not aware through their leaderships. A leader just comes from the district and he keeps quiet there without even telling his friends or colleagues what is happening. So in this symposium, everybody has talked his mind, and which is one of the principles of NRM.
Youth Conference district.
Example, we as youth of NRM, we have organized this youth conference whereby we don't have any budget of NRM.
Amakoraga gasha kwa Agacencwire na Gilbert Muhanguzi.